In this lecture, we're gonna show how to create a 3D sketch. So for now, we were creating only 2D sketch on 2D planes or faces, but now we're gonna show how we can create a sketch in the 3D space. So to do that, we have to go to the Sketch tab and we have to click here on this arrow. And here we can choose 3D sketch. Let's choose this, and now let's choose a line. And here we have a 2D red coordinate system. This is XY coordinate system. And for now, we are on the XY plane. So if we click here and we drag our mouse, we are on the XY plane. So let's click here. And now we have a new coordinate system at this point. If we want to change coordinate system, for example, if we want to change the plane on which we are creating a sketch, we can just click tab. And now we change to YZ. Now we can go to this direction, like this. Now here we have a new coordinate system. With the tab we can change coordinate system. And now we are working on the ZX plane, like this. As well, let's change coordinate system with the tab. Let's go to the XY plane. Let's go to this direction, like this. With the tab, let's change to the ZX, like this. And now let's click escape. And now if you rotate this, you can see this is 3D sketch in the 3-dimensional space. So it's really simple to create a 3D sketch. You go to 3D sketch, you choose a line or anything that you want to work with, and then with a tab you can change on which plane do you want to create a sketch. Or for example, we can go and choose a line. And now for example, let's start at this vertex here, and let's go to this vertex here, like this. Now let's go to this vertex here, and let's finish at this vertex here. Right click and select. So and this is how you can create a 3D sketch. If you want to exit this sketch, you can just click here. It doesn't happen anything. You can click here, exit sketch, or you click here and then uncheck this icon. And now you can see here on the Feature Manager Design tree, we don't have only sketch, we have 3D sketch, which means that this is 3D sketch. And we're gonna need 3D sketches later on when we're gonna work with some advanced features.